In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a CRM. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your sales processes, this guide will help you transform ClickUp into a powerful tool for managing your customer relationships. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's dive in and get started. The first step is to head over to the ClickUp website. If you've made it this far, you're probably already a bit familiar with the platform, which is great. On the ClickUp homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your ClickUp dashboard. This is your central hub for managing tasks, projects, and spaces, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, let's direct our attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see various options depending on how you've configured your workspace. To set up your CRM, we need to create a space that will serve as the foundation for your customer relationship management system. So go ahead and locate the plus new space button and click on that. Spaces in ClickUp are essentially the highest level of organization within your workspace. You can think of them as dedicated areas for different parts of your business. When you click on New Space, a modal will pop up to guide you through the setup process. Once this modal appears, look to the bottom left corner, where you'll see an option labeled Use Template. Click on this option to be taken to the Template Center. Now, in the Template Center, you'll have access to a variety of pre-made templates that cater to different needs and industries. This is where the magic happens. To find the Sales CRM template, use the search bar at the top of the Template Center. Simply type in Sales CRM and hit Enter. You'll quickly see the relevant templates that ClickUp offers for customer relationship management appear in the results. Once you spot the Sales CRM template listed, hover your cursor over it. This action will reveal a quick option to implement the template. You'll see a Quick Use button pop up, allowing for a convenient and speedy way to apply this template directly to your new space. Go ahead and click on that Quick Use button. Now, ClickUp will begin loading your new CRM template. This process will transform your space into a highly efficient sales CRM, and it usually takes just a moment. So be patient as ClickUp works its magic and configures everything for you. Once the template is fully loaded, you'll be prompted to access your newly created space. Take a moment to open the space, and just like that, you've set up your very own sales CRM in ClickUp. Congratulations on reaching this milestone. This is a big step toward enhancing the organization and efficiency of your sales operations. By setting up ClickUp as your sales CRM, you've equipped yourself with a robust tool to manage your leads, track sales processes, and nurture customer relationships more effectively than ever before. With everything set up, you're now in a prime position to take your customer management to the next level. As you begin to explore this newfound functionality, take the time to get familiar with how you can customize the CRM to suit your team's specific needs. Consider utilizing other features offered by ClickUp, like task assignment, comment threads for discussions, and reminders for follow-ups to further streamline your processes. So there you have it. You've successfully used ClickUp as a CRM. Enjoy managing your